how to make iron doors work in Minecraft in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, craft a lever and select it in the hotbar. You will want to place the lever on the wall by the door. So position your pointer to a block next to the door. So for Java Edition PC or Mac, right click on the block. For Pocket Edition, you tap on the block. For Xbox 360 and Xbox One, press LT button on the Xbox controller, and for PS10, PS4, press the L2 button on the PS controller, and for Windows 10 edition, right click on the block. For Education edition, right click on the block. And now open the iron door. You will need to use a pull the lever. The game control to use the lever depends on the version of Minecraft. And for Java edition, right click on the lever. You tap on the lever for Pocket edition and press the LT button on the Xbox controller for Xbox 360, Xbox One, and press the L2 button on the PS controller for PS3, PS4, and right click on the lever for Windows 10 edition. The iron door should now open and will stay open until you put the lever back up. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.